McKelvey makes his morning rounds around the zoo, he gets some unusual responses when he says hello to his charges.
Dave has assembled 317 species at the aviary, totaling more than 1,500 birds. Look at that!
That's the universal distress call of the mallard-like ducks, and it caused pandemonium among our young waterfowl.
One of Dave's favorite birds is the whooping crane, and extra care must be taken in approaching them because they are so highly excitable.
Do you think they know we're not cranes?
Oh, I'm quite sure they know we're not cranes, but they also know that we're not predators as well.
Oh, okay.
Now, I will challenge him like another crane.
Uh-huh.
That's one of the few bird calls I do better tthan the bird.
Kookaburras have been in every jungle movie ever made, whether in India, Africa, or South America. Now, if that's quite a feat for a bird who's never lived anywhere except Australia, it's because their unusual call lends an exotic air to any locale. Just listen.
Birds don't have the sort of language that would allow me to discuss the Vietnam situation with them or something like this, but I can tell them that I'm a lovely young female, or that I've found food, or that I'm frightened of a predator, or that I'm intruding on their territory.
So anybody really could learn this. I mean, you have a wonderful aptitude for it.
Yeah, I think I have particularly developed muscles in my larynx through practice. Anyone could, even you could learn to imitate a bird.
Like what?
Yeah, like a pigeon.
Okay, what could I do?
Well, why don't you say, look at the loon. Say it now.
Okay, look at the loon.
Look at the loon, okay? Now, what we've got to do is say, look at the loon with our mouth shut. Don't let any air out. Watch.
Okay.
Look at the loon.
Okay. Is that it?
That's good. I've been doing bird calls since I was about 7 years of age. And,
Did you ever get kicked out of school for it?
Yes, I think I have, as a matter of fact. Certainly been reprimanded for making cricket sounds in study hall.
These shoe-billed storks are the only ones in the Western Hemisphere. Storks are usually peaceful birds, but this species is known to bite people who get too close. Dave has taught his technique to the zoo's bird keepers, and by using the proper body language and bird calls, a keeper can get a friendly response from these normally hostile birds.
It is a lot of fun to talk to the birds, but you know, it has a real serious purpose, too. It enables aviculturists like Dave McKelvey to get closer to them, to study them, and to make better exhibits like here at the San Antonio Zoo. And we're here because you asked for it.